Hey everyone, welcome back to Techful Things. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your saved Facebook password using your phone's settings. No third-party apps needed. So if you've forgotten your password and need to log back in, this method will help you recover it quickly. Let's get started. If you use an Android phone and have saved your Facebook password, you can find it in Google Password Manager. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Google or Google Services and Preferences. Tap on Manage your Google account and go to the Security tab. Scroll down and select Password Manager. Search for Facebook in the list. Tap on it, then use your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern to unlock. You'll see your saved Facebook password here. Now, if you're using an iPhone, your passwords are stored in iCloud Keychain. Here's how to find them. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Passwords. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to unlock. In the search bar, type Facebook. Tap on it to see your saved login details. If you don't see your Facebook password in these settings, don't worry. You can reset it by doing this. Open the Facebook app or website. Click Forgot Password and follow the steps to reset it. Use a new password and save it in your phone for next time. And that's it. Now you know how to find your saved Facebook password using your phone settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.